Bururi no uracakaya gikuo kia Gavana Joyce Laboso na aikari a kaunti ya Bomet hamwe na atongoria kaunti iyo matigitwo na kiririkano kia utungata wake uria kuranire.
Milk processing and packaging plant that is actually being built at the moment. To its completion, it will cost a tune of 100 million. And we anticipate that the same will continue so that we realize what he intended for the people.
Cheptalal Sub-County Hospital ambapo saa hii vile tunaongea tumekuwa na surgery room, tumekuwa improve mpaka to level 4.
In my ward, she was able to come up with a water ban which is already complete. And
Kiahana ihoru ikigomira kinyagia muciĩ gwake mwena wa Sotik na muingi na atongoria mwena ucio no marathie na mbere gwikinyia kuo gucakaya na andu a family ya Laboso.
Good.
Kamiti iria irahaririria mathiko ma Laboso igitongorio ni minista wa hinya wa kuhuthika Charles Keter ni yaniriire ati Laboso akahurukio muthenya wa Jumatatu itura-ini ria Koru Mohoroni kaunti-ini ya Kisumu mugunda-ini kwa muthuri wake. No mbere ya mathiko igongona ria kiririkano rigatafanirio kanitha-ini wa All Saints guku Nairobi muthenya wa Aramithi kuria muingi na atongoria matanyitwo gugekinyia na thutha ucio mwiri wake utwarwo kinyagia Bomet o hwaini ucio.
We are taking fast to the program to arrange for funeral arrangements for Madam Governor until she is laid to rest.
I want to appreciate the fact that God has given us an opportunity to work with the governor. We have a number of things that we will remember her.
We are very grateful and we say that her soul may rest in peace.
Muthenya wa Jumaa niguo igongona ria mathiko rigatafanirio kiharo-ini kia Green Stadium kaunti-ini ya Bomet mbere ya mathiko muthenya wa Jumamothi. Laboso arakuire akirigitwo murimu wa kansa. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.